TikTok Lite story, why nobody sees yours. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you why nobody sees your story here on TikTok Lite. So why nobody sees your story here on TikTok Lite? So here is the common issue. So the common issue that why nobody sees your story here at TikTok Lite is that is on setting on only you. So what I mean by that, most of the time, where TikTok Lite story, the only allowed viewers is you. So to fix that, we just need to go back right here. So we just need to go back and we just need to click on the plus blue icon and the camera. So I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, now we're here. So because the problem is when we do a story, for example right here, we're gonna do story right there. There you guys can see, you will see in below sounds, you will see privacy settings. So most of the time, sometimes it is set on only you. There you go, only you. So that's why whenever you're gonna post, you are the only person who is seeing it because it's set on only you. Now what do we do? All we need to do is so easy. Just need to press on everyone. There you go. Or only the friends you follow. So now there, once it's set to between friends or everyone, people will now be able to see, or the people that you've chosen will now be able to see your story and not only you. So there you go guys, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, concerns, type in the question below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. See you guys on the next one, and there you guys. See you guys. Thank you guys.